This is my favorite part of the Genius video.
Genius tricks!
It's just like magic.
Yep. This recipe is for the fudgiest chocolate brownie cake. No butter, no oil, just a whole bunch of eggplant. Because this is a greatest hit, there's all kinds of good user comments on here. I would love to know if you have experienced the chili burn from handling hot peppers. Please tell me so I don't feel so alone in this experience. This is, I think, the most Instagrammed recipe that we've had from Genius Desserts so far.
I love hearing that. I found this recipe on a thread on our hotline on Food52, and I've already featured, I think, 4 or 5 different recipes in Genius recipes from that one conversation.
Do you have a garnish?
Love.
Dang, that's better than my garnish.
Use the skin of the avocado as a lever and go boop.
Let's talk about pie. Now the weird things going on in my head.
Did I just get zucchini in my face?
You didn't.
I like baking with 4 hands.
I feel like Wonder Woman or the Hulk, just turning things to dust.
And come visit us at West 26th Street.
Really? Potato, 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 potato. I mean, I could keep going forever. This is heaven.